Yo, what is going on, everyone? So, Bitcoin just recently hit an all-time high of 60,000 for the price. And currently it is a little under right now, but just look at this market cap. Ridiculous 1.1 trillion. In the green, up 25% for the last 7 days with a 24-hour gain of pretty much 5.83%. And we can see the other cryptocurrencies are following suit. ETH is now up to 1.8. We got Binance, Tether, Cardano's at 112, and XRP 45, and then you can see Litecoin 226. So there's some other I'm gonna look at too, but I'll just focus on Bitcoin for this video, and let's just take a look at the chart. Let's see what happened. So I mean, right here we can see that we had some resistance around this price point, and looks like it just broke straight out. And let me get a little closer and zoom in really quick. Let's just see this little gain. So let's just start it out. Let's just do like right here where this big giant green candlestick is. And if I were to bring this over, we can see that like yeah, about a 5 point, we'll see, hold on. About a 5% gain for Bitcoin with a price point of pretty much 50, almost 60K. 5% is a humongous change. Now obviously you can see little red candlesticks now. RSI is indicating that it might be a little overbought, but that's, again, these are short-term measures. But we can see the buy volume, so quite massive buy volume here. So if we were to let's just zoom out a little bit, and technically these are all-time highs, so there's nothing here to stop it, but there's also a lot of support that it could fall back to. So I mean, next price point, like a lot of people are saying Bitcoin can potentially hit 75K and then potentially 100K. I'll just measure it up to 75 for this video just to see what percent gain will we need. So let's say we're here around, let's just put it at 60. Well, actually, let's do this. 59.5. We'll raise this up to 75K. That's about a 25% increase in the price point, give or take. So pretty much take 25%, add that onto this market cap. That's quite a lot of money added on Bitcoin. But here, let me just show you some news, right? So this was posted a few days back, and this software firm, My2, buys 22 million of Ether and 17.9 mil of Bitcoin. So in total, that's almost 40 pretty much mil plus invested in cryptocurrencies. This was on March 7th, and this is in Hong Kong. So basically, the summary for this is some big boy companies, aka you can label this, institutional investors, whatever you want to call them, but just know that there's some big companies now deciding to pour their money into cryptocurrencies. So here, they stated they bought 15K ETH and then 379 Bitcoin, which is crazy to think that for spending almost 18 mil, you can only get like 300 plus Bitcoin. And this states here that they have this investment plan that they can go up to 100 mil in crypto, right? And this is just one company. So just imagine all the other companies, let alone not even counting America, but let's just say, for instance, in China, Europe, all over the world, just starts pouring money into cryptocurrencies, then guess what's going to happen? Most likely, we could see these crazy predictions where people say potentially 100K plus ETH, so I'm not going to say exact numbers, but just note that if money starts to come in, most likely the price will correlate towards the amount of money that's going in. But just remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Make sure you're doing research before making any investments. But here you can even see this Yahoo Finance article. Bitcoin spikes to record over 60K. And they kind of highlight some stuff. Like they have the highlight of that My2 Chinese company. Two fun facts too. I'll just talk about some news now. Is this NFT, I don't know if you guys saw it, but it sold for 69 million. So talk about cryptocurrency and digital art. And I'm not going to go too much in NFTs for this video, but just note that people are spending an insane amount of money on these NFTs utilizing cryptocurrency, right? So they're just shifting money everywhere, and that's kind of crazy to see. And then obviously these are just showing like, some historical things. Like for instance, the 1.9 trillion stimulus check. Assuming if you're from America, then this might relate to you. If you're outside, then it just doesn't matter. But just note that a lot of people now are going to have an extra check. They might invest that into the stock market, maybe cryptocurrencies, and who knows, right? And then also you can see here there's additional things about potential news updates. But let's check out this too. So one thing that I know I like to follow, Elon Musk. And check this out. Elon Musk, he tweeted this 21 hours ago. BTC, Bitcoin, is an anagram of TBC, the Boring Company. What a coincidence. So this man, first of all, he has such a massive following, 48.9 mil. And people don't even research. They don't even listen to anything. They just read it and then they just assume it's accurate because it's Elon Musk, right? So that's, I'd say he mentions Bitcoin, and I'm pretty sure people are gonna look, oh, he's talked Bitcoin. That might be a good idea, right? But again, he did the same thing with Dogecoin, and a lot of people lost money. I mean, looking back at Doge, I think last time I checked it was like 5 cents. So I mean, it didn't crash or anything, but you can see like it's still the people bought in high point. They lost a lot since it's such a cheap price point. So the percentage drop is like crazy. But he did tweet about Bitcoin, and this was literally yesterday when I'm filming this. So that's crazy to see. We can check out the comments, but I mean, there's gonna be a bunch of people like trying to spam stuff. And then in terms of that, it seems like that's like the most recent one. Well, you see here, Doge, spelled backwards, the EGOT. So I mean, yeah, he's talking about Doge too. So in terms of Bitcoin, seems like a lot of companies right now, this is just my general overview. A lot of companies are looking to put their money somewhere. Cryptocurrency looks like that place, even outside of America. So definitely, I'd say it looks very bullish right now. Obviously, the Bitcoin could go to zero, crash down. A lot of people are saying that too. You never know. Crypto is super volatile, so definitely understand the risks. Do your research. But it seems like right now it's doing quite well, hitting ridiculous all-time high numbers. But definitely let me know your thoughts about Bitcoin. Do you think the price could hit 75K or even 100K by the end of this year? Let me know that in the comments below. And if you haven't, guys, already, you want to see more updates on the markets, whether it's stocks or cryptocurrencies, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And aside from that, if you made it this far and you want to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850, then all you need to do is click the first link in the description below, sign up for an account, and as long as you deposit $100 minimum or more, you'll be able to receive 2 free stocks valued up to potentially $1,850. And this is a limited offer, so not sure how long this is going to last. But aside from that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up the video, and I'll see you in the next one.